face. Or it's your body. If it ain't your body, then it must be your face. Screwing in moderation, screwing is such a bore. None of my time is wasted. I do that shit on tour.